Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about eclipse. The sun is a source of light and the earth and the moon are opaque objects. So when any opaque object comes in the path of light, what it do? It blocks the light and casts its shadow. So a shadow is formed when an opaque object comes in between the path of the light. Sometimes the sun, the earth and moon is happen to come in a straight line, and at times the earth comes between the sun and moon. Sometimes the moon comes in between sun and earth. In such situation what happens? The object that is in the middle, it casts its shadow on the other, and this is called eclipse. So there are two types of eclipse, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. When the earth comes between sun and moon, it casts its shadow on the moon, and this is called lunar eclipse. Here you can see at this picture, the earth blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon, and as a result the moon gets hidden from the view. Lunar eclipse may be partial or total. When the moon is completely in the dark shadow of the earth, here the middle one you can see, the moon is completely in the dark shadow. This is total lunar eclipse. But when the moon is partially hidden by the dark shadow of the earth, that is partial lunar eclipse. A shadow has two parts, you can see here, umbra and penumbra. The part of the shadow that totally blocks the light, this dark one, this is umbra, and the part, this grey part, that blocks only a part of sunlight, it is penumbra. So here the earth was between sun and moon, but in solar eclipse what happens is the moon comes between the sun and the earth. When the moon comes between sun and the earth, it blocks sunlight from reaching the earth, and again it casts its shadow on the earth. This is called solar eclipse. Solar eclipse may be partial or total. Here also you can see where here when the sun cannot be seen at all, it is total solar eclipse, and when the sun is partially visible, it is partial solar eclipse. The region on the earth where umbra, this dark part, falls as total solar eclipse, and the regions where penumbra falls, this grey part, it has partial solar eclipse. And solar eclipse lasts for very short duration, a few minutes or so. Let's continue with artificial satellites. As you know, satellites are the object that revolve around the planet. Like moon is the natural satellite that is not made by man, but some man-made objects are there that revolve around the earth, and we call it artificial satellite. Artificial means man-made, so that the satellites that are made by man and that revolve around the earth, they are artificial satellites. These are sent into the space to gather information. So they gather information about space, forecasting, weather. These are used for forecasting weather, transmitting signals of mobiles, television programs, and all. The first satellite launched into space was Sputnik 1. Aryabhat was the India's first satellite launched in the year 1975. Beside this, some other Indian satellites are there like INSAT 2A, Rohini, Bhaskar, and all. So, this much about CLIPS and artificial satellite. Do its revision. Thank you.